Today, y'all, we gonna package up a big order. Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share and comment. So I kind of already started, and I have these 3 here, but I'm doing like a small promo for the beard oil because I'm trying to think of ways to push certain products that don't really sell like that, and the beard oil sells here and there. So this is my beard oil. My light always bright, y'all. This is my beard oil. It just says Shai Men Beard. This label is crooked. I think I'm gonna take it off and fix it. So it just says Shai Men Beard Oil, super lightweight, folic acid, hydrates the follicles, pure acne fighting agents, ensure shine and moisture. I ain't gonna tell you all the ingredients because you gotta buy it to get it, and you can get this on shaigirlinc.com. So my promo basically is they paid a $5 shipping, and I'm sending them my 1 ounce bottle basically for free. So I kind of just started the process. I just take one of my little bubble mailers, I throw my business card inside, and I throw the oil inside. Bada bing, bada boom. Put it over here. So I did 10. I just took out 10 oils to do this promo with. So my goal is to get 10 guys to actually do it, and so far I think I've gotten 2. So 2 of these actually have to come out. So they'll be shipped out on Tuesday because today is Sunday and tomorrow's a holiday. So I was actually shocked. I believe I sent out a couple invoices because basically they just sent me their email. I emailed them the invoice, and they paid the invoice. Once you pay the invoice, I basically just snatch your oil out of the thing. So we're just gonna see how this works. I also have a meeting with a barber to see if I can have him put a few on his station in the barbershop to kind of advertise it more to men because of the fact that my following, I believe, is mainly female. And for some reason, women don't like shopping for their men. Not for like stuff like this. So yeah, so this is the box. I'm holding them in so that they're already done and I don't have to kind of worry about them. I'm actually going to fix my inventory. Wait, is this the right size? Yeah, this is the right size. Look at me, I'm counting all wrong. Even that. I think I gave somebody one. My inventory was all messed up. So I now have 4 3-ounce left and 3 1-ounce left, and this is like all my inventory here and here. I actually just ordered a organizer, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it up now because of the fact that I'm trying to move. So when it comes, I might just keep it. I'm gonna film it coming, of course, but I might just keep it in the box and just kind of do like a side-by-side of what it is exactly that I ordered, because it'll be here Friday, I think it said Friday, I don't know. So yeah, that's basically that. I do have my 20% off sale still going on. I look a mess, but I literally took my wig off like probably 20 minutes before I filmed this video, and then when I went to set the camera up, was like, should have left your wig on. But that's neither here nor there. The wig wasn't important. I also have 2 local pickups orders ready. So this is this lady ordered a toner, the Ella Rose facial toner, and a toasty lip butter gloss. And then because I kind of got a mix up in my inventory because I wasn't counting stuff right, I ended up giving her the Cosmo butter gloss for my mistake. And then this person ordered our growth kit. Our growth kit comes in these 6x4x3 boxes right now with their own sticker. Actually gonna send out emails because I did earlier. Local pickups are ready. After these two go out, I think I'm gonna take local pickup. I'm actually gonna take local pickup off of my Shopify because people select local pickup and then take 1,000 years to come pick it up. Like, and honestly, I don't want to keep holding stuff forever, so we're gonna just take local pickup off. It was cute and it was fun while it lasted, but
why are you scared? Why are you
oh wait, I keep forgetting how I be forgetting how I do stuff. That's Koi in the background, by the way. He just
that's easy.
He just has to make noise.
Oh, that's easy.
I be forgetting how I do stuff. I be tripping.
I'll go save you.
Here we go. It was something else I wanted to take off or add, but I wasn't really sure because I'll just be tripping.
Why is there
Actually gonna go and put these, weigh these two so that I'll know the weight of them for when I do the shipping labels tomorrow, because they are gonna go out on Tuesday. And I'm about to go to sleep. I don't know if Emery's awake or if he's sitting in his chair watching Koi scream and lose mine, but I'm gonna go either lay down or do something.